Hello, welcome to Mary's Kitchen MTL. In this video, I will show you how to make biscotti. For this recipe, you will need 4 large eggs at room temperature, 1 cup of sifted powdered sugar, half a cup of melted, cooled, unsalted butter, the zest of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, half a cup of lukewarm milk, 3.5 to 4 cups of sifted all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a cup of Nutella microwaved for 20 seconds, half a cup of cherry jam or your favorite jam, 2 tablespoons of water for brushing, and 2 tablespoons of milk for brushing. Here is the procedure. Add the eggs to your stand mixer bowl, attach the paddle, and beat the eggs. Add the powdered sugar, beat until blended. Add the melted butter, the lemon zest, lukewarm milk, and vanilla extract. Beat on medium speed for about 2 minutes until combined. Gradually add 3.5 cups of flour. Add the baking powder before the batter thickens. Continue adding the flour. Remove the paddle once the batter thickens and attach the hook. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. Add the salt before the last addition of flour. Beat for 5 to 10 minutes until the dough is silky and smooth. The dough is ready once it detaches itself from the bowl. It should not be sticky to the touch. If the dough sticks to your finger, add more flour, 1 tablespoon at a time. Knead by hand for 2 minutes on your floured surface. Shape into a ball. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 30 minutes. You will need a large tray, line it with parchment paper and set it aside. After 30 minutes, remove the dough from the refrigerator. Sprinkle some flour on your work surface. Unwrap the dough and cut it in half. Wrap and refrigerate 1 half and flatten the other half. Sprinkle some flour on top. Dust your rolling pin and roll out the dough. Roll out the dough into a 15 by 10 inch rectangle. Spread the Nutella in the center. Fold. Press to seal. Spread more Nutella. Brush the edges with water to help seal them. Fold the dough again to close. Pinch to seal. Gently press the top. Transfer onto your tray, placing the seam underneath. In the meantime, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Roll out the second piece of dough. Spread cherry jam or your favorite jam in the center. Fold. Press to seal and add more jam. Brush the edges with water. Fold to close and pinch to seal. Place on tray with seam underneath. Brush the dough with milk to give it a smooth finish. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes until golden. Cool the logs for 10 minutes and then cut. Use a sharp serrated knife to cut the biscotti. Cut 1-inch slices. This recipe will give you 28 to 32 delicious biscotti. Enjoy! I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. I'll see you next time.